How to use SendGrid with Gmail. So first is basically keep note of the email that you're using with SendGrid. And once you have it, just simply go to your Gmail. Once you're here, click on the settings icon here on the top right, then click on all settings. Once you're there, you will be brought to the general tab. Now just simply hover to the accounts and import, then click on it. Then you will see the option right here, which is the send mail as. And on this section, you will see an option to add another email address. Now just simply click on that and this window will pop up. So you will just simply need to input that you will use with SendGrid along with any other details. After you've input your email, just simply click on next step, then follow all of the steps after. So as you can see, I've put my email and it will send a verification. You will just simply need to verify it by clicking on send verification. After that, it will be automatically added. And once you have followed through all of the steps, you can now send emails from Gmail using SendGrid's SMTP. And that is how I basically use SendGrid with Gmail.